In this video, we're going to show you how to go from this to this.
I'm Alexis.
And I'm Dylan.
And welcome to His and Her Muscle. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so we can show you more how-to and product review videos for new Edge Ford Mustang GTs and 15 to 18 Dodge Chargers.
All of the tools and products will be linked in the description below so you can find them quick and easy. Let's jump into it.
First thing you're going to need to do is buy a muffler delete kit. The one we're using is from Chaos Motorsports, not sponsored. What you're going to need is a reciprocating saw, a Sharpie, heat wraps, measuring tape, a socket set, and a torque wrench.
The first step is you're going to lift the vehicle. We use ramps for this. You can also jack up the vehicle. Make sure you chock the front tire.
For your next step, you're going to remove the cross member.
Next, you want to measure out how much you need to cut of the muffler. From what I got, it's about roughly, it looks like about 14 inches, but just measure to make sure you know how much to cut from each side.
And then you're going to use the Sharpie to make sure you mark those spots.
So next you want to use a reciprocating saw to cut where you marked. Make sure you're wearing safety goggles or glasses and a long sleeve shirt. And then earmuffs as well because it does get loud. Once the mufflers are cut out, you're going to take the exhaust clamps and put it on the existing pipe. Then you're going to fit the new pipes on there.
Then you're going to tighten down the clamps.
Side note, you can use the JB Weld heat wrap to wrap any exhaust leaks that you may have after you start the vehicle and you feel for any leaks. So you can do this as a cost-effective way, so you don't have to go into a shop and have this welded. And you can also do this in your own front yard. But again, you can't take it into a shop to fix any of those leaks. We plan to do the same thing to eventually have it welded in the future.
Once you have everything tightened down, this is going to be your end result. Once again guys, everything that we use in this video will be linked in the description below. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and comment down below what you guys want to see or what you guys want us to review on these cars.